So, for this week's insurance tip, in light of Hurricane Beryl, and I know there's a lot of people who got scammed down there, unfortunately. Here's ways to select a good contractor and avoid potential scams. One, go local. Choose a local company whenever possible. There's tons of door knockers who come over from neighboring states that have a burner phone that you're never going to hear from again. Two, don't do cash payments. Credit card and checks allow for an additional level of security, and they're also traceable. Number three, get multiple bids. That good looking salesperson that knocked on your door may have nothing to do with the works that's done, and they are charming and they're supposed to be, but just get another one and you'll feel better about it. Number four, make sure the bids are detailed. They have the name, the phone number, address for transparency. Number five, you can check the references. A good contractor is going to give you references. You can call and ask the supply house. They know more than anybody else. Number six, verify that they have insurance. Yeah, that's a big one. Number seven, if they're going to communicate with your insurance, make sure that they keep you in the loop on what's going on. And number eight, report scams. Save somebody else. If you have a bad experience, put it with the Better Business Bureau. Give it to local law enforcement. So you can stay safe out there. Your home's a big investment and you want to make sure that it's taken care of.